Video has gotten 1,000 views, and by the end of this video I'm going to be showing you guys how much YouTube pay for 1K view this 2025. So if you are a content creator or you're looking forward to start up a YouTube channel and you don't know how much YouTube is paying and you want to use opportunity to know how much YouTube is paying, this video is for you. This video is for all YouTubers looking forward to get monetized on YouTube. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and start my screen record, but before that, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. So right now I'm going to be attaching it either here or here, as you guys always know. You can see that this video has gotten 1,000 views, 1,060 views. Okay, and if you check the traffic source, you can see traffic source, YouTube recommendation, channel page, notification, subscription, others. And if you click on the reach of this video, you are going to see that this video, you can see that is from what? Browse feature, how viewers find this video, browse feature, channel page, notification, suggested, and others. Okay, you can see external sites or app, WhatsApp, Google search, and Telegram. You can see YouTube search term, Vibe with Sonia, and how to monetize on Twitter accounts. And then you can see some of this content that is actually suggesting this particular content. Now let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten a watch time of 65.7, as you guys are seeing here. And you guys, the audience retention of this video is 3 minutes 42 seconds, and of which it is not bad. It has a click-through rate of 26.2%, and of which it is good as well. Okay, you can see the likes versus dislikes as well. Now, if we go to the audience of this video, you can see that this video has returning viewers of 822. You understand? And you can see the poppo sign, which is the returning viewers, and then you can see the new viewers. And I'm so happy that this video is getting more attention from returning viewers, right? And you can see the age watching this video. You can see 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and yeah, those are just the three age. You can see the gender, both male and female. And then you can see the top geographical that are watching, which is the top country. You can see here Nigerian, my number one, United States, Kenya. If I click, we're going to see more, but there's no need. And then you can see the top subtitle, and you can also see the watch hour from subscribers. It simply means that people that are subscribed have more watch hours. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do what to subscribe and support this channel. I will not take that for granted. Now let's go to the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has gotten $3.81. Okay, for a video of 1K view, and it has gotten $3.81. Just imagine that this video have 10K view. You will automatically be calculating that this video will be making over $30. And now if you check how much I make per 1,000 view for my RPM, you can see it here that for every 1K view, I get to make $3.66, and of which is something I'm really grateful for. And how much advertisers are paying for 1K view? Advertisers are paying $5.97. Okay. And here you can see here they say earning by skippable, display, bomber, non-skippable, and unknown. Now, if we go to the overview of this content, right? And if we go to the overview of this content and then we check how many subscribers that this video has actually fetched us, this video has fetched us 2 subscribers. It simply means that every content that you're going to be having on your channel will definitely fetch you subscribers in one point or the other. Now, let's talk. So when I mean this video can actually give me $3 and some cents, it doesn't mean that this video cannot give you more than. It can give you more and it can give you less. I'll always explain this for everyone that is coming to watch and for everyone that is coming to know that your videos can perform with $3 and mine can perform with $7. I have videos that I receive like up to $7 just per 1,000 views. I have videos that I'm receiving $5 per 1,000 views. So depending on the kind of content you're trying to bring and the kind of advertisers that are willing to advertise on those videos. If you don't know, as someone that is creating content on YouTube, the only thing that pays you on YouTube is not only coming from your views, but it's still the ads. So now, if you watch the ads, for example, if you're watching this video and any ad gets to play and you watch the ad from beginning to the end, the payments that I'm going to be receiving will be more than someone that just see the ad and skip immediately. And we can say 99% of people, once they just see ads, they skip immediately. In fact, some persons even turn on their settings, like they don't want to get ads on their videos, you understand, which is some viewers, okay? So, and you need to know that this is what bring the coins to the table, which is the ads itself. But for a video of 1K view, getting $3 and some cents, I don't think it is bad. If it is bad, let me know in the comment section, because I've seen some people's content that just their 1K view, they are getting even less than $2. Some persons will tell me they're getting $1. Some persons, when I personally go into their channel to see, they're even getting up to 0.90 something cents or 70 something cents. You get. So that is why if you're looking out for niches on YouTube and you want to make sure you're creating content to get that money on YouTube, get niches that at least they have up to like $3 ahead when it comes to their advertisers end. You understand what I'm trying to say? But like I said, me and you can create the same kind of content. I can be getting $3, you can be getting $4 or $6. I can be getting $2, you can be getting $9. You can also be getting $1 and I can be getting $3, just like this one, that for a video of 1K view I've already made over $3 80 something cents. So if you're looking forward to create videos this 2024, just know that this might be what you are going to be getting for 1,000 view. Like I have a video that I did on how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 view, and that video, that was 2023, and that video for 1,000 view I've made over $4. For just 1,000 view I made over $4, you understand? So that's to tell you that every video varies and how it's gonna work out and the rest of that, okay? So the only thing I'll also advise you, if you're starting up content creating, or you're planning to start, or you have been procrastinating, you just have to do it. You just have to do content creating. You just have to do YouTube, because at the end of the day, you are going to enjoy the profit more than the losses. I don't know if that is good. There is nothing you put on YouTube here that is definitely a waste. That is one thing you need to know. There is nothing you also put out or your efforts that you're displaying on YouTube that is not going to yield profit for you. So it will definitely yield profit for you. So try in as much as possible to keep the consistency coming and get content that at the end of the day, you are going to be getting more revenue. I don't know if that makes sense or stuff like that, okay? And if you're in that situation whereby you're planning to quit your YouTube channel, I don't advise you to quit. I'll always say that. If you're procrastinating, start. And if you don't even know how to start, you are still confused, this is where we come into display. This is where we do channel coaching for you. In this particular YouTube street, if you don't know me for anything, know me for someone that is growing people's channel. So the only thing you can do is with these flyers displaying on the screen, with Shikini Money, and with this mail that is still displaying on these flyers, you can subscribe to my class. And once you subscribe, I'm going to hold you hand to hand. This is where I go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what you can actually fix, and how we can actually fix this together for your channel to be on top, okay? And if you are in that situation whereby you've not created any channel before at all, you don't even know how to create, you don't even know where to start, I still help you, because what do I do for you? I go into your channel as well. I create it for you from scratch, and then we know how we can be able to build it, okay? So check this flyer displaying on the screen with this mail, and trust me, you are definitely not going to regret it. Anyways, let me know in the comment section how much 1,000 view can actually give you on your channel if your channel is monetized. If you're looking forward to get monetized and you're not monetized, let me know in the comment section. Do you think $3 and some cents is okay for 1,000 views compared to other social media platforms? You understand? So let me know in the comment section. And if you are on other social media platforms and you are monetized, let me know how much 1K view can actually gives you in a different social media platform like Facebook or every other places, okay? I would really, really love to know. And if you have not subscribed till now, please, I wonder what you are waiting for. It is going to be the best opportunity for you to hit on that subscribe button, and I really, really do appreciate, okay? So subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like let's say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.